Big Herc 916 doing my thing. And yeah, I just rolled up to pick up my 1968 Cougar. I had the rear end gears changed from 3.0s to 410s. So I'm gonna see a big difference in torque and launch off the line. I'm not really worried about you know, highway gas mileage or shit like that, because I'm all about the takeoff. And I'm gonna supercharge the car anyway, so it ain't no thing. But yeah, I'm picking up my Cougar, about to take him for the first drive since I've changed the rear end gears from 3.0s to 410s. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. So I just got in my car, and yeah, I'm excited to see how these new gears yeah, so I just got into my 6.8 Cougar, and I'm excited to see how the gears feel with these new 410s, because the 3.0s were shit. Oh yeah, takeoff is nice, acceleration exhilarating. The Cougar actually feels like a Cougar now. The only thing really left to do is supercharge this baby, and I'll be in the game. But I'm also gonna throw I got a Holley 4-barrel right now, 650 CFM. I'm gonna actually change this up to a Phi-Tech, so I got that EFI set up, and keep it old school but add a supercharger to it. And my goal is to have this car a little over 6, so she'll be running with the best of them. I've already done the suspension. I got what is it, TCI all the way around, got rid of the shock towers, rack and pinion, got coilovers on this thing, got a 4-link in the back, so she handles. The rear end now has 410s with posi. It's a 4 9-inch, so she can do her thing now. I got a little bit of road, let me see. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. A little punch with the push. So the 6.8 Cougar is coming along. Now it's time to finish up that Chevelle, which should be done shortly with the trans built up. Then I got the 82 928 that's going to be finished here real shortly. Check out the video on that. And my NSX should be ready hopefully, man, in the next week or two. You know, it's pretty much all together. Just a weird code that's coming up, so as soon as they figure out that code, I'll be able to take that car back also and finish doing the add-ons to that. I got a list of add-ons I'm gonna talk about in one of the videos for that car, and kind of give you a heads up on it. But yeah, I'm excited, man. The Cougar drives great, and the power is what I more or less was looking forward to when I had this motor stroked out from the beginning. But I didn't realize that the initial gears I had in here were shit. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, keep supporting, and I love y'all, man. Leave a comment. Also check out my Instagram and my Twitter, which is Big Herc 916, and my website, bigherc916.com. A lot of motivational shit, and if you're trying to get right, I'll get you right. So I'm out.